Understanding the penny dropped, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its intricacies. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, the penny dropped. Have you ever wondered what it means and where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and find out why this idiom is a favorite for many English speakers. The penny dropped is a British idiom that's used to describe a moment when someone finally understands or realizes something after a period of confusion. Imagine a light bulb turning on in your head after struggling to understand a concept. That's the essence of this phrase. It's often used in situations where the understanding or realization comes later than expected. To fully appreciate this idiom, it's helpful to know its background. The penny dropped originates from the early 20th century slot machines. These machines required a penny to be inserted for them to operate. Sometimes, there was a delay between inserting the coin and the machine activating. When the mechanism finally worked, and the coin dropped, the machine would spring to life. This moment of delay followed by sudden action is analogous to the delay in understanding or realization that the phrase refers to. 1. After explaining the concept several times, the penny finally dropped, and he understood the solution to the problem. 2. I kept wondering why she looked familiar, and then the penny dropped. She was my classmate in high school. 3. We watched him puzzle over the riddle for the longest time until the penny dropped, and he burst out laughing at the realization. Using this idiom in conversations adds a colorful and relatable way to express that moment of sudden understanding. It's especially useful in storytelling or when sharing personal experiences. And there you have it, folks. The penny dropped is more than just a phrase. It's a window into moments of realization and understanding that everyone experiences. We hope this exploration has shed some light on this fascinating idiom and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with moments where the penny drops, and everything suddenly makes sense. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in our next video.